Hi, Matt here from Crooks the Cabinet Makers. So guess what? Whenever you fix something up, it always seems to like break down on you afterwards. So now I've got this saw here, totally dead. Spent all this time repairing it and it's dead.
Here we go. No, you think it's stopped, you think it's not working.
So as you can see from the video, this machine's playing up. So the first thing to do is switch off the power. So the power's off the mains, take it out. So next thing to do is get rid of the blade and get rid of the fence. Okay, so just flip the machine over. Right, so next we need to remove the brush cover. There's a brush cover on this side and on the opposite side here. Fit that in a little turn. And then the old brushes come out. So just tighten that brush cover back on. Just do it up firm, no need to over tighten it. Okay, so I'm going to do the same on the other side and then we're going to see how well it runs. It's a smart idea to secure your machine down and good for safety too. So put the fence back on, wind the blade up. Let's see how that starts and stops now. Well, that is running beautifully now. So just a few pounds, probably less than a tenner, including shipping, and you can get your Makita saw back up and running good as gold. And I'm super happy that the braking system works. That's great. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe in the workshop.